a smile to start your day, a prayer to bless your way, a song to lighten your burden, and a message to wish you a good day. So, a very good morning to all my dears. We are going to start a new day with new chapter with Ojashwini in GK class. So, first, instruction to reminding you some rules. Study the chapter before and after the online classes. I hope everybody is doing this. Do your classwork in GK book and homework in GK notebook. Do classwork and homework in good, clean, readable handwriting with no mistakes. All headings and main one word answer write with black pen. And one more important announcement that students who have not yet purchased books and notebooks carefully look at the picture of the related chapter posted by me in the group and use it. Thank you guys. So, our today's topic, rarest diseases, chapter 4 and 4th of June 2020. Some diseases are found in very small percentage of the population. They are called rarest diseases. So, read the unique symptoms of some rarest diseases and write their names in the given blanks in your GK book. Use help box for writing the correct spelling. So, let's start. You can zoom and see the picture. Okay? So, it is a rare genetic disease in which the child shows premature aging, the loss of body fat, loss of hairs, stiffness in the joints, and hip dislocation. Maybe some of you remember that before few years one movie released, Pa. In that movie, Amitabh Bachchan played role of a boy, and that boy was also suffering from the same disease. And name of this disease is progeria. What is the name? Progeria. So, the next one. It is a rare disease caused by the growth of bacteria or yeast in the mouth. The bacteria build a tiny round projections that start to grow and turn black. If you remember, many times I told you everybody use tongue cleaner, do brush daily. But some of you are still here who are not using the tongue cleaner. So guys, as you know, 50% of bacteria always present on our tongue. So please start using tongue cleaner and keep your mouth clean and bacteria free. And name of this disease is black hairy tongue. Have a look, zoom the picture. Okay? Now, the next one. It is a rare disease characterized by continuous shedding of skin of most of the body parts, particularly face, palms, and sole of the feet. In your book, some part of face is showing, and in this video class, palms are showing. You can see that skin is peeling off, है ना? And this rarest disease name is peeling skin syndrome. Sometimes with us also in winter season, our palms are become very rough and some skin is removing. But we are not suffering from the peeling skin syndrome. That is just because of less moisture in our palms or body. Okay, so in winter always use moisturizer or some oil on your body, palms, feet, face, है ना? So the next one is, it is a rare disease in which the organs in the chest and abdominal region are arranged in exact opposite position. The stomach and spleen are on the right side and liver and three-lobed lung are on the left side. You can see in the picture, the first picture, this person is normal and all internal body parts are in the right place. But in the second picture, you can see the body parts change their location, and this disease is known as situs inversus. Now, what is lobes? So I want to tell you, the lung consists of 5 lobes. The left lung has a superior and inferior lobe, while the right lung has superior, middle and inferior lobes, and function of it delivering oxygen into the bloodstream and removing the carbon dioxide. Okay, and name of this disease is situs inversus. The next one is, look at the picture. Wow, so cute baby and eating mud. Looking something dark, black, and it is mud or soil. So, is it normal that in your childhood you was also eating some paints, है ना, some soil? So, it is a rare mental disorder in which a child has a craving to eat it inedible and non-nutritive substances like clay, chalk dust, sand, paints, hair, wool and soft rocks. Maybe some of your younger brother and sister also doing the same thing. So be careful and alert and save them. The next one is, first look at the picture. In this picture you can see a palm and the ring finger is moved, है ना? And you can easily say the disease and what happens in this disease. Okay, so it is a rare painful condition that causes the fingers or thumb to lock when bent. It happens when the tendons in the fingers or thumb become stiff and swollen. And name of this painful disease is trigger finger. Really painful. God bless you all. And it's time to your homework. So your today's homework is make 6 questions from this chapter and also have short clear answer. Maybe everybody understand the homework, and after this chapter you will again study the chapter carefully, and if you find any difficult word you will find in your dictionary. Everybody get now a small dictionary, so you will find the meaning. After that, if you have any doubt you can ask in comment box. So guys, thank you for your time and attention. Have a nice day.